Students, welcome to my video lecture on mathematics. Today I will discuss the theorem angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Given a circle whose center O, radius R, in which angle ACB and angle ADB are made by the arc AB in the same segment ACDB. To prove angle ACB is equal to angle ADB, construct join OA and OB. Proof. We know from the previous theorem angle made by the arc AB at the center is equal to double the angle made by the same arc AB at the circumference of the center, circumference of the circle. So, from previous theorem, we can write angle AOB, that is center angle made by the arc AB, is equal to angle 2 into angle ACB made by the same arc AB on the remaining part of the circle. Similarly, angle AOB is equal to 2 into angle ADB made by the same arc AB. AOB is the center angle and ADB is the circumference angle. So we can write from these two equations, we can write two into angle ACB is equal to 2 into angle ADB. Cancel 2 at angle ACB is equal to angle ADB. So we put this. On the base of this theorem, we now prove some practical problem. Now we will solve these two problems. Here, the problem number 1, find the value of x. BOC, value of x is equal to BOC is equal to x. We find the value of x. Therefore, from triangle AOB, angle OBA is equal to angle, we can write angle OBA is equal to angle OAB, because OA is equal to OB is equal to R, radius of the same circle. So angle OBA is equal to angle OAB. this angle will be 25 degree. Similarly, angle from triangle AOC we can write OAC, we can write angle OCA is equal to angle OAC. Because OA is equal to OC is equal to R, radius of the same circle. That is, this angle will be also 35 degree. So, angle BAC is equal to angle, we can write angle OAB plus angle OAC. That is angle 25 degree. Value of angle OAB is equal to 25 degree and OAC is equal to 35 degree. That means sum of these two angles will be 60 degree. From previous theorem we know center angle is always double of the circumference angle. So we can write angle BOC is equal to 2 into angle BAC. So we put the value of angle BAC, that is value of angle BAC is 60 degree. So the value of BOC will be 120 degree. And now we solve the second problem. Here find value of x. That is, we find the value of angle ABC. Value of ABC. We find the value of ABC. Value of ABC is here. Value of ABC is given x, and we find the value of x. This angle is called circumference angle, and AOC center angle. তাহলে দেখো given reflex angle AOC is equal to 2 into angle ABC. First we find the value of the reflex angle AOC. Angle AOC is equal to reflex angle AOC is equal to 360 degree minus 130 degree. So we can write reflex angle, value of reflex angle will be 230 degree. So we can write AOC, we know AOC is equal to 2 into angle ABC. अतः angle ABC is equal to half into angle AOC is equal to half into 230 degree. That is so the value of angle ABC will be, the value of x will be 115 degree.